In this video, I will be showing you how to see the card number on the federal application of the Navy. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So let's dive right into it. So in order to do that, make sure that you log into your Navy Federal app and sign into your account. Then select the account, tap on the account link to your card. View the card details. Find and select the option for the card details or similar, varies by the app version. And then authenticate. Complete any required authentication like entering a PIN or using a biometrics. The view the card number. Your number will be displayed on screen securely. If you can't find the option, ensure your app is updated or contact Navy Federal Support for the assistance. So this is the right method in order to do that. If you feel like this video was knowledgeable, make sure that you like the video. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.